I think many adults are understanding something, and that's that students are already using AI. And because we understand that, we also know that students are also going to use it to study, they're going to use it to research, and they're going to use it to answer questions, kind of like we do as adults. Whether schools acknowledge it or not, that is what's happening. And that's why I think one of the biggest mistakes we can make is pretending AI isn't a part of students' lives. What are we waiting on? Over the past year, while leading conversations around AI in education, I've noticed that many adults are still trying to understand what these tools can do. And that's completely okay. Meanwhile, students are already experimenting with them every single day. And that doesn't mean students know everything. Far from it, actually, right? But it does mean schools have an opportunity. Instead of avoiding the conversation, we can help students learn how to use these tools responsibly, use them thoughtfully, use them ethically. Because students don't just need access to AI, they need guidance to AI. I'm Dr. Kristofer Stubbs, and I help schools and educational leaders prepare for the future of learning and work.